I really don't. I don't like talking to people because I know I gotta edit. It's not that I have an editing problem. Because I don't have an editing problem. I really don't. When I want something, I want something. That's it. When I want something, I want something. So if I call you and ask for you, I really want it. Because I don't care.
Shouldn't be fucking with you.
Why you throw my dog down the steps?
Shoot that one for break down the steps.
You didn't go to fucking cat to the dog down the